Here's a quickie on how to use this vision sheet. Basically, it's just a Google Sheet with columns and rows. You start with this column. This is the current year or the most recent year. Fill in the details for it, and I'll get to what these metrics are in a minute. Then you can either go out 3 years and fill in your vision for 3 years and work backwards and say, if that's going to be true, what do I need to do next year, the year after that? Or you can start with most recent year and move a year at a time. What do I need to do next year, year after that, year after that? Build it up or build it from the top down, whatever makes sense to you. If these metrics are numbers, just put the numbers in the right cells. If these are words, then go ahead and put a few words or maybe a sentence about what you see, what you envision in that category. And I've got these broken out by color here. In this column here, B, put the source or the formula or the thing you're going to be looking at to measure this. So revenue is pretty obvious. It's your top line. Profit could be measured as EBITDA, operating profit, free cash flow. Pick whichever one you're going to use and put that in here. Cash out to the owners is everything that you take out of the company. Salary, draw, loan repayments, etc. And if you're putting money into the company that year, it's a negative. Cash on hand in the company, that might be the number of different accounts that you have to hold cash or cash equivalents. Under the products, the product lines is what you sell, basically, just the major lines that you sell. And then this row is for what percentage of revenue you get from each. Customer base works the same way. Who are you selling to? What are your major markets? And then what percent of revenue do you expect from each one? Under employees, you want the number of employees that are managers, and then note any major changes to the org chart that'll happen as the company grows from year to year. Under culture, pick a couple of words that describe the kind of culture you want to see in your company, and then take a minute to recognize yourself. What awards are you going to win? Who's going to write about you in what media or social media, whatever? What are they going to say about you? What do you really see as an accomplishment?